Please ensure that you're aware of your surroundings, listen out for fire alarms, and when trying to use equipment responsibly. If you or a fellow member needs NHS assistance, 811 or bank staff transfer to the new management center. You may not see this or
One, two, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, it's another good day to be a Christian. And today I want to talk about prayer. Why do we pray? What is prayer? Is it even important for us to pray? Especially as Christians that we are. For me, I believe prayer is a communication with God. Prayer is the means by which we bring our supplication, our desires, our need, our questions before the throne of God to seek answers, to seek directions. And like every form of communication is actually usually two ways. But the unfortunate thing is most of the times we just pray, make our requests, our petitions, and we move on without hearing from God at that very moment concerning the matter or in the near future. But for every communication process to be complete, there has to be a sender, a receiver, and a feedback, and that process could go vice versa, circular, back and forth, until clarity and the intention of that communication is established. And that's the same way prayer should be. Prayer is supposed to be us communicating with God and waiting for God's response to our communication, whether it be prayer for direction, for instruction, for solution, whatever the purpose of that prayer may be. If the prayer is to be wholesome, if that prayer is to be complete as a form of communication, then we should always be prepared to hear from God. And the good thing is, God always speaks. He speaks in diverse form, but that's not the topic for today. Today, we're talking about prayer. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.